Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. My name's Farron and I'm out here in the garden and I'm going to harvest some of our potatoes. Some of our potatoes, branching's all died down, so they're ready to be harvested. These ones here are volunteers, are growing up underneath our tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest all of our volunteers and see how our volunteers did. Pretty good size. These are Yukon Golds. That's a nice size one. Those one there are off from one volunteer plant, Yukon Gold. Something to me as volunteers might be the ticket. These ones here are going to be more likely to be red Pontiacs, seeing how I had red Pontiacs growing in here last year. There's the harvest of the red Pontiacs. Now I got some on the other side of this raised bed here to harvest, and more likely they're going to be Yukon Golds, so let's go get those. There you guys go. Those are the volunteer potatoes that grew up in my tomato bed. That there's the Yukon Gold, and these are the red Pontiacs. There's a little red sunflower. Okay, I'm over here by my green beans. I do got a lot more potatoes to harvest, but it's pretty warm out here. It's up in the 90s. I think I'm going to harvest the rest of my potatoes tomorrow morning when it's a lot cooler. Anyhow, I'm going to come out here by my green beans here and get some of these green beans picked so we could have some of this for dinner tonight. that ought to be enough green beans for our dinner tonight. It's just the two of us. We're going to have some of those potatoes too, and probably going to make some meatloaf to go along with it. Well, I'm going to go ahead and head on inside. Okay, it's pretty warm. Like I said earlier, it's up in the 90s. And I'll catch you guys in the morning when I harvest the rest of the potatoes. All right, it's the next day in the morning. I'm gonna come out here and harvest these volunteers here. I forgot about these, so let's go ahead and get these harvested. Well, there's the volunteer potatoes in this bed. They're all russet potatoes. They do grow kind of oddball shapes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and go over here and harvest my Yukon Golds. Well, there's the Yukon Gold. Got quite a few big ones in there with a lot of small ones and quite a few tiny ones. Okay, now I'm gonna go harvest the rest of my potatoes. Well, here's the harvest out of this bed. Those over there did pretty well. There's quite a few big ones. And these ones here, not so good. I think on this side of the bed here, the soil was really hard. So that's something I got to work on here during the winter. Get that soil softened up. Okay, I got one more bed to do. It's right over there. Okay, there's my harvest of these potatoes called Butterball. And this bed, this soil here was really hard too, so I got to do something to that to amend it. Well, there's my potato harvest this morning. And add that to what I harvested yesterday. That's quite a bit of potatoes. I still do need to do a little bit more work on the soil. And the Yukon Golds did pretty well. They're nice and big. And some of the russets are pretty big, but a lot of small ones. And these are butterballs, and they're quite small. So, and these, of course, these were the ones that were in that hard soil. So I'm going to have to amend the soil to soften it up some more, and probably add some amendments to it. And we'll see what next year brings. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and checking out my treasure hunt of potatoes. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.